So if you clicked on this video, you're getting ready to travel. Looking for recommendations? Here are my recommendations. This, guys, is the Peter McKinnon 35 liter travel bag. Got this about a year ago. Best purchase I probably made in a long time. This bag carries everything I need when I'm traveling. I've been to Aruba as well as Mexico over the past year, and both times this has been my carry-on. All my gear fits in here. Well, a majority of my gear that I want with me fits in here. And let's get into it. So as you can see, there's a ton of pockets everywhere. There's the straps in the back, pockets in the front. I think I have something in here in the front. I also have a side pocket, which I keep my gobo in, which is something I vlog with. So we'll talk about that in a second. But also the little compartment where you can actually easy access your camera right here. So this bag, like I said, has been super important to me while I've been traveling. So let's open up and see what we got. Technical difficulties. All right, guys, as you can see, it's pretty full. So let's start off with the camera, my main camera and my main lens. What I have here is the A7 IV, and the lens that I have on it is the Sigma 14 to 24 lens. I use this specifically for vlogging, and that's where the gobo comes in. If I didn't have the tripod mount on here, it easily just connects to the bottom, and I usually hold it something like this as I talk to myself and strangers watch me. It's good times. So what I attach to this is my Sony mic, and I'll drop a link below for everything. This mic honestly has been, to be honest, I like them a little bit better than the Rode mics, even though I'm recording on a Rode mic right now. But for shotgun mics, I believe the Sony one has been my best bet for this time. Let's get into lenses. So that was one lens. I usually carry 3 main lenses just to sort of cover myself for any particular situation. So that one was the 14 to 24 Sigma. I also have the 24 to 70.
You know what costume I really want?
What's that?
This costume I really want to have.
Whose is it?
Her name's Lacie from One.
Okay.
I really, really want it.
Okay, maybe we'll include it one time. Well, we will get it one time. Hey. Okay, can you close the door? Thanks. Anyways, so my second main lens is the 24-70, the Sigma 2.8. This lens has, this is on my camera a majority of the time while I'm traveling. I take everything from my landscapes with this, you know, some family shots that I take if I'm traveling with the family. Just overall, probably my most favorite lens while I'm traveling. The next lens I have is the 70 to 200. This is the G Master. This is the version 1. I have not upgraded to the version 2, and I don't see myself upgrading to it. It's been honestly a monster, and the last software update has made this thing even more beast in low light situations, as I do shoot weddings pretty often with this, and this is my main go-to lens. What else do we have here? We do have LED light. This LED light I pretty much use just for, you know, weird scenarios. I'm taking any video. I both do video and photo with the A7 IV. So this is just in case light, just in case I'm in a situation or a bind where I can't, you know, have access to light at that particular time. Let's stick with the light routine. This is the Godox V863. Now, I started using this a couple of months ago when it came out. This light, actually, this flash, I also use with this trigger if I need any sort of off-camera flash scenarios, which I don't often, only when I'm really shooting my kids. But this particular trigger has been awesome because you can trigger this off as well. And the best part about this particular light, and the reason why I bought it, it actually has a beauty light attached to it, which is absolutely fantastic. I don't know if you can see that right there, but it does light up your face pretty often. So this light was super cool when I found out it came out, and I completely took advantage of buying it ASAP. So that's cool. As well as these, I also use, usually if any water scenarios or any extreme area scenarios, I always have a GoPro on me regardless of where I am. I actually don't ever really take this out of my bag. This is on location shoots, whether I'm traveling or not, this is always in my bag. And just so you know, I use this for any particular BTS. So I might set up the GoPro on the side over here while I'm shooting, and that's how I get my BTS most of the time if I don't have someone with me. As for drones, the drone that I carry is the Mavic 2. This is with the Hasselblad camera. This thing has been an absolute beast, although I almost lost it in Aruba because the wind was really bad. But this is the drone that I use. I'm not gonna upgrade anytime soon. I absolutely love this drone, and honestly, I really got it for a good deal. One of my buddies bought it. Found out it was not necessary for him to have a drone at all, so I bought it off of him for steal. So that was a good buy. And obviously, the remote for the drone, I still connect it to my cell phone, and I think that's why I almost lost the drone the last time. But this is also clutch as well. All right, what else do I have? Let's see these pockets. Pockets I have here, they all have something in them. So I have the Peter McKinnon memory card holder. I think it's empty right now because it's empty. All the cards that I have been used. Extra batteries, so extra Sony batteries, extra AA batteries, double AAA batteries. I believe I have, let's close this up, back here, a couple more things. This is my iPad, I believe it's the iPad Pro, 3rd edition. I believe it's a 2020 edition. I could be wrong. I'll drop a link in the description below. But I honestly, I stopped taking laptops with me when I go away, and I strictly use this for any photos that I want to edit right away. Lightroom on here is pretty cool, and that's what I use a majority of the time is Lightroom to edit. I do also have the detachable keyboard right here, made by Apple. And again, I don't see myself upgrading anytime soon. This thing has been a workhorse for me. I absolutely love it. And on top of that, I also do have the Apple Pencil 2 here on this bad boy 24/7. I do have a skin on the back, in case you guys want to see. It's sort of a black camo. which is kind of cool. And honestly, it's been gets those little pesky fingerprint marks from sticking on there, so that has been clutch as well. What else do I have here? I think I only have one more thing in here, and that's in the front pocket. And this is actually probably one of my newest purchases. I bought this is, where the hell is it? Aha, it's here in a different pocket. So this, guys, is what I attach to my 2470. This guy is the Peter McKinnon Black Edition ND filter. This guy has been super clutch. I bought the Black Edition because it gives a better, I personally think the Black Edition and the case, as you can see, I'm kind of messing with it right now. I like the 3 to 6 variable ND rather than the 2 to, I think it was 2 to 5 and then 6 to 10. So I definitely like this a lot better. And to be honest, it's all blacked out, so it's kind of my deal. So there you go. But I believe that's it, and I'll give you a little bit more of the actual bag. As you can see, it does hold everything I need, and it has all these little clips everywhere. That way I can hook things onto the side. Usually I have a tripod, a bigger tripod in here, not the Gobo, on my day-to-day, as well as all the pockets in the front. I don't usually use this stuff while I'm traveling, but you know, it's a nice to have. I do use it. Got extra masks just in case. That's it, guys. So I can make recommendations till I'm blue in the face, but I do definitely recommend this bag. Super comfortable. Sometimes when I travel into New York, this is my only bag that I have with me. It's super comfortable. It's easy on the shoulders. I can still maneuver as well as hold my camera bodies. So if you guys are looking for a camera bag, this is it. I'll drop a link below. The Peter McKinnon 35-liter bag is what it is. And if you have any other questions, any suggestions on other gear that maybe would help me out with either my vlogging, my day-to-day travels, my overseas travels, drop the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, you know, all the fun stuff. Help me out a lot. Other than that, guys, that's it. Deuces.